All right, so let's look at an ellipse. It's a set of all points in a plane. The sum of whose distances from two fixed points is a constant. Each fixed point is called a focus, plural foci, of the ellipse. An ellipse has two axes of symmetry. You have the major axis and you have the minor axis. The major axis is the longer axis of the ellipse passing through its foci, and then the minor axis is the shorter axis of an ellipse that is perpendicular to its major axis. Now, one thing I wanted to highlight that I did not have written on here, typed on here, is that the endpoints of the major axis only, are the vertices of the ellipse. Okay, so well, in the minor axis, they're called co-vertices, or we have vertex here. We have two types of equations when we're looking at the ellipses. Standard form of an equation for an ellipse where the center is at HK. We have here the quantity of x minus h squared plus a squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared over b squared equals to 1. That will be the horizontal major axis. And then we have our vertical axis. And just notice that the a squared and b squared is reversed. Okay, so we will go through these and talk about um, how to graph an ellipse when you're given a center that is at 0, 0, and when it's not at 0, 0. Now, the key here to graphing is going to be, or the key word here, distance. Okay, so we'll be identifying the center, and then from there counting the distance, how many points away from the center to create this ellipse.